Hi everyone. So far in design technology, we've been making a dice, a wooden dice where you've had to put the dowels in, cut them, sand it, and end up with a product very much like this. Your next task, once this is finished, is to be able to make a dice cut on the laser cutter, and it will look a little bit like this. So your dice will have numbers that you create. You can put text on it, any text that you like, and you'll be able to build that yourself and take that home. As a comparison to the old traditional method of making a dice to the new electronic method using a laser cutter. To do that, we need to make sure that you have got the right software installed so that when you come to school and we're ready to start making that, you don't waste time at school installing software. You come ready prepared. So what you need to do is we need to install an application called Adobe Illustrator. You need to go to Creative Cloud. So if I click on my Start button, scroll down and find Adobe Creative Cloud. Click on that. It'll probably say that you're not signed in unless you've already used Creative Cloud before. So I'm going to sign in here. This is my first name, surname at tcc.sa.edu.au. So this will be, this is me obviously, but you'll have to put your name here, but the rest of it is the same. And then click continue. The next one's very important. Don't choose personal account. Otherwise you will have to pay for the account or you'll get a limited trial offer. Make sure you choose company or school account because the school has paid for a subscription which is not limited. As soon as you do that, you'll get another login screen. You have to enter your username and password again, which is your email address. As soon as that loads, and your password is the same password that you use at school. So it's just loading up. I was actually loading my apps. So this time it didn't prompt me to log in again. If it does, make sure you use your username, email address as your username, and your current password that you use for school. When it loads, you'll have something like this. Check on Illustrator. It might say that you have an update needs to happen. Now don't worry about any of the other ones at the moment. We're just looking for whether there is an update available for Illustrator. If there is, do the update and wait for it to finish. If it says that just open, do the open. Illustrator will open, and this is the software we'll be using for doing our design on the laser cutter. It takes a little while to open, but when it does, it'll look like this. And you have an opportunity to be able to play an introduction video or do some learning. Use the rest of your time now that you have it installed to get a feel for Illustrator. This is the software we'll be using to create your laser dice and also some other cool laser tasks that we'll be doing later on in the year. So thank you for doing this, and it will save a lot of time when you come back to school.